Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. Used car dealership out of Palatine, Illinois. Here's another new arrival from Japan. Just came in, 1999 Subaru Legacy Limited GT with 144,000 miles, which is 144,000 kilometers, which is 89,000 miles. Nice looking four-door sedan, and this one is a 5-speed manual transmission. It is all-wheel drive. Nice and clean looking body, well kept, well maintained. It runs and drives nice, got tinted windows, low miles, just 89,000 miles, being 1999. As I said, came from Japan, well kept, well maintained. It went through our shop, passed safety inspection, fresh oil in it. Let's take a peek inside. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This is maintenance stickers from Japan, and you will see it under the hood as well. It's got the Recaro seats. Again, this is a limited edition. Momo steering wheel, 5-speed manual transmission. It's got aftermarket touch radio with AM, FM, DVD, USB. No warning lights on the dash. It's got 144,000 kilometers, again, which is 89,000 miles. Right-hand drive, nice and clean. Back seat in a great shape as well. Nice and clean unit, guys. If you're looking for something special, this is the one. Again, well kept, well maintained, 5-speed manual, all-wheel drive. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek under the hood. Give me 1 second here. Let me find it. There you go. Subaru alloy wheels. Nice tires. Okay. Let's open the hood. Here you go. Nice and clean under the hood. In a great shape. Again, it's got 2.0 twin turbo engine under the hood. It runs and drives nice. It's got good power, detailed, inspected. Again, this is stickers for maintenance. Usually, when it gets to 100,000 kilometers, they change the timing belt. So this is a sticker actually, I think on 107, 107,000 kilometers, the timing belt and water pump has been replaced on it. So yeah, front row ready, fresh oil, nice and clean, a low mileage, 1999 Subaru Legacy Limited GT. 5-speed manual transmission. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive it, please feel free to give us a call. Please check our website for more information, pictures and video on this vehicle. Click on JDM inventory special on our website, which is carcitychicago.com, to check all these beautiful vehicles imported directly from Japan. We do have an SUVs, we do have sports cars, we do have minivans, quite a good variety. So please check us out, carcitychicago.com, and click on JDM inventory special, so you'll find all these nice cars imported directly from Japan. Any questions, give us a call, 847-496-4250. Again, website carcitychicago.com, JDM inventory special. You'll find all these beauties imported directly from Japan. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.